The Ants and the Grasshopper. A grasshopper spends his summer singing and dancing, while a team of ants has worked hard all summer collecting foods for the winter. He doesn't understand why the ants work so hard. When the winter comes, the grasshopper finds himself dying of hunger and sees the ants serving food to survive. He then understands why the ants were working so hard.